Welcome to Gaudi's house. We'll go and have a look at what other work he's done. I think you'll recognise one of them. A big church in Barcelona. Welcome, by the way. Hi, boys. Hey! So I'm going to say welcome to Barcelona. First time here. First day here. We are going to the Formula 1 with the boys. Hey! And well, we're having a day looking around the city. Sightseeing. This is Gaudi's house. And it is pretty bonkers. I mean, it's got a dragon for a roof. Literally. Stunning place. But yeah, tomorrow we go to the Formula 1 qualifying at the Circuit de Catalunya. Oh, it should be a good one. Let's see what we find. Everybody's getting selfies. I can see why. It's beautiful. So we went to Gaudi's home earlier, and this is his creation, which is still being built. He never actually finished it, and apparently there's no plans of how it's got to be finished, so it just keeps going. The design is unbelievable. What a place. I don't think there's an angle where this place isn't nuts. So it appears this side's the original. You can see on the side where the newer stuff's gone. How long it's going to be built for, I do not know. Qualifying in the F1, and we're down in the metro station. Look how busy this is.
motius de seguretat, preguem es distribueixin al llarg de tota la
Whatever he said.
I sisplau, no s'ha...
So from Barcelona, I took a R2 train, and we were supposed to be walking, but there's free buses, so we'll take it. It's just a bit busy. Welcome to the entrance of the track. That is epic. Again to Circuit de Catalunya, Barcelona F1 qualifying. Just check this place out. We're on the pit straight, just on the first bend. So we get hopefully get some overtaking and good view up through the S's and then back down through there as well. This is a great view. You can just see the pits behind. Really looking forward to this. Starts in the next hour. Amazing. First F1, first time in Barcelona. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Welcome to race day at Barcelona. We have Lando Norris on pole, Verstappen in second, George Russell and Hamilton on the second row. It's going to be an epic first corner, and we're right on it. Oh, I'm buzzing, absolutely buzzing. Let's go and have a look around. Let's go get our seats, get settled, and wait for the action to start. Let's go. It's a hot day. Much cooler. So here we are in the stand. I'm actually seated at the top behind me. But before the race, I was just having a look around. And yeah, amazing. Now if you buy a general admission ticket, you can end up over there, which is a fantastic view. But this position, wow, you can see quite a lot of the track. And yeah, we've even got a bit of Sky TV footage and coverage, so we know exactly what's going on all the time. Can't wait for this. I mean, first corner is going to be epic. We were hoping for a little bit of a rain, but I don't think that's going to happen. Maybe have a little shower, but it'll dry up pretty quick. But other than that, let's see you at the start of the race. F1 Barcelona 2024 over. Max Verstappen, Lando Norris and Lewis Hamilton all on the podium. What an epic time this was. I've got to come back again, that's for sure. Look at this, this is incredible. Right, let's get out of here and see what we get in Barcelona itself. Let's go.
Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been alarming, honey? Then take a look at where we are. Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been alarming, honey? Then take a look at where we are.
Welcome to the summer solstice in Spain, where they just let as many fireworks off as possible. And they just throw them at you, don't they?
We should go to Afghanistan for some peace and quiet.
And this will be all night. It's incredible. It's as if there's a million people down at the beach in Barcelona. It is unreal. If you ever get a chance to come to Spain, summer solstice, just get yourself there to the beach and you'll see a spectacle and a half. Wow.